parents tell us that even not only the language, but it's the artistic setting that really helps kids. It motivates them to learn, and also it's helping them break those barriers of culture. You know, some of them are first generation here, and so they really can't find a way to tie to that culture that their parents brought from their home countries, and this is a way to tie it.
Yeah, well, the program is created for different ages, kids from 6 to 12 perhaps, and we have backgrounds from kids from all over Latin America and the United States also. And we offer a program bilingual where kids can learn Spanish and can hear a theater class, a movement class, and a drawing class in Spanish at the same time, helped with English. So it's a hybrid, let's say, and we try to make as them dynamic as we can, so the kids can have the whole world of theater together in this video world that we are in right now. So we managed to create that. And I draw for kids, and we learn in a class drawing using colors, markers, and creating this fun adventure through the paper.
We were founded in 1991 by my parents, Mario Marcel and Nuki Walder, along with another Colombian actor, Carlos Ramirez. We began with the idea of really spreading the Hispanic culture, Latino theater and arts into the other areas of the DC metropolitan region. Especially in the 90s, we saw a huge influx of Latino immigrants into the Virginia area. And so we moved more towards that area because of all of these people that were arriving from their countries, especially war-torn countries, that were really in search of people who were speaking Spanish and activities in Spanish, especially cultural activities in Spanish.
Basically with Teatro de la Luna, I offered them a show. Like, hey, look, I have this physical theater show that I would like to perform. I don't have another like Hispanic platform to develop my work, so I don't know if you might be interested to have my show in your season. So they trusted in me in a way. Like they said, like, all right, come show us what you have.
Teatro La Luna is actually the first theater I could work, and I started working here in DC. They gave me the opportunity, the chance, without knowing who I was, where I came from, or anything. They just opened their doors. They were very kind and warm, knowing that I'm Latino, and the Latino look for opportunities here in the United States. So they were very generous, and I was willing to do anything to learn a script and do a play. So that's the way I started with them.
You can easily see that this city, DC especially, it's growing in population, and most of that population is Hispanic. We have to give opportunities, and I think in that way, what Teatro de la Luna is doing, it's like very important. Like, it's a little space, it's a little thing, because could be like bigger, like this is what we can give right now. But in a way, I think it's very important.
The idea of just bringing together people, having them find a safe space to read in Spanish, practice theater in Spanish, do something new and artistic in Spanish.